Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my oat swallow, and I will give you a story behind me making oat swallow. Let's get started. This is my dry oats. I'm going to blend the oats into oat flour. I'll blend it and make sure it's very smooth for making. As you can see, I've already blended my oats and it's very soft now. I will go ahead to put water in a pot and allow it to boil. Here my water has boiled so well. After boiling the water, I will take some oat flour and pour it into the pot and begin to mix. Make sure the water boils thoroughly before adding the oat flour. Now I've started adding the oat flour. I will keep on mixing, continue to mix. Now is the time for my oatmeal swallow story. Where I live in Canada, there is no African store close to me, and the African food I have left with me was almost finished. I was just left with gari, so I had to make eba all the time, and the blender I had that time could not blend plantain or yam because it was just a little blender. I had another option to get something that looks like semo, that's semovita, but it is not actually semovita. So from a lady from another province, I had to wait for her until she's coming to my province before I could purchase that semovita. But it is not semovita. It was very coarse. When I make it, it's so coarse. It was just like blended corn, so I was not enjoying that swallow at all. I would even say blended corn was better than that semo I was getting that time. I had to stop buying it because I don't like it. Then someone introduced me to drum wheat semolina. So I went to the Canadian store. I got the drum wheat semolina. I made it. To me, it was better than the semovita I was getting from the lady, but I was not satisfied with it because it was not giving me what I wanted. So I kept on making the drum wheat. At a point, I got tired of it. Then I sat down and I started to think, what else can I do? Because the whole swallow stuff was now frustrating, and I love swallow so much. I love to eat my swallow. Yes, I love swallow so much. I have no idea that there is anything called oat swallow or how to make it. Yes, I know someone would be wondering that where is this person from? Is she living under the rock? Yes, this is the truth. I have no idea that there is anything called oat swallow. So when I sat down, I started making research. I had to make my research on what other swallow can someone eat aside from the regular swallow that I'm familiar with. And the idea of oat swallow popped up. I've never seen how they make it before. I don't know that there's anything called oat swallow. Then I went to the shop. I got the oatmeal and I blended, boiled my water and made my oat swallow. The first day I made the oat swallow, I was so happy because of the way it turned out. The texture was so nice, and I had to read about the health benefits of oat swallow. So I'll be sharing with you the health benefits, and since then I've stick to this swallow. I love it so much and it's very healthy. Now back to our cooking. So you mix and you just keep on turning the oats until it forms to this form. Then I go ahead to add little hot water and cover it to steam for 5 to 10 minutes. After allowing it to steam for some time, and make sure that the heat is on a medium heat to avoid it from getting burnt. Now I've added water. I'll just give it some space so that it can boil, then cover the pot and allow it to cook for some minutes. Oats is very healthy. It helps in weight management because it is very low in calories and it has high fiber. It is very benefiting for individuals with diabetes because it controls the blood sugar level. One thing I love with this oat swallow is that it is very easy to digest. It is not like our regular swallow where after eating you feel too full. No, it's very easy to digest and it's very nutritious. Oats is a good source of various vitamins and minerals, including iron, zinc, and vitamin B, which are important for energy production and overall well-being. So oats is a very good choice of meal. Now it has cooked, I'll keep on mixing it, give it a very good mix until I get the right consistency, until everything is well mixed properly. Aside from the swallow, there are so many things you can use your oatmeal for. You can use it to make pancakes, you can drink it that way. There are lots of things that you can use the oatmeal for, and the very good part of it is that it's very healthy. Now I will keep on mixing. As we can see in this video, it's already giving me that texture that I want. Today's hug is for Wilma RJS Spice Kitchen. Thank you so much for your words of encouragement. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And to all my subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. To all my viewers, thank you so much. My last video on how to prepare Nigerian fried rice is getting a lot of views. I don't know how to thank you enough. I really appreciate, and I would like to know where you are watching from. Now the oat swallow is ready. It has a very good nice texture as we can see in this video. Now it's ready to be served. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like and share this video. I paired my oat swallow with egusi soup. I would like to know in the comment section if you will be trying out the oat swallow and what soup would you like to pair it with. Thanks for watching. Bye.